Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that you can receive all the updates from my channel. Let's move straight to the video. So today we are going to talk about on how you can use YouTube on your phone. You know, many of us have phones, but some of you don't know how to use YouTube perfectly on your phone. So this video is for you. So first of all, you go to the Play Store. If at all you don't have YouTube, you go to your Play Store, then you search YouTube, then it will be here. You will download it, but since I have it already in my phone, I don't need to download it. You can even upgrade. So after that, look for the app under your apps. So after this is YouTube here. So as usual, if you see here a video you want, you can just press on that video and you start watching it. Any video. So we are going to first talk about the buttons here. This is the home button whereby you find all the videos. You can even explore the trading videos, the what and what. You can go under music here, up here. This is a list. It shows you the music, mixes, editings, what and what. If you want music only on your timeline here, you press music. It will bring you all the music all the music videos from every nation, any country. So if you want to explore, you can explore the trending videos here, the trending music, the trending games, the trending sports videos, anything. So that's all on the home button. So another thing, on the updated version of YouTube, you have to press the shorts here.
Be careful if you find a rock like this.
If you want those short videos, like the ones you find on Instagram, on TikTok, those videos, they are always here. They look alike. You can like, you can comment. You just have to press this button here and you comment. Write your comment and submit. Write a comment and submit it. Then it's gone. You can like, you can reply to any comment here. Anything as usual on other medias. So after that, you are going to go on this plus button here. If at all you want to upload a video using your phone, you have a video and you want to upload it on YouTube. Remember, using YouTube, you have to sign in with your Google account. You know, Google owns YouTube. You have to sign in when you have just started using. You sign in with your Google account. So if you want to upload a video, you should have an account. If you want to like a video or subscribe to someone, you should have an account. You can maybe
Anyone create a drum plugin. You can find
maybe after watching this ad here, when you go to a YouTube video and you see an ad, you just wait for it to
drums.
You wait for it to play
Everywhere. And I'm thinking to myself,
then it will ask you to skip the ad after you watch the video. So if you want to like the video, you should sign in to be able to do what? To like the video. If you want to subscribe, you press the subscribe button. If you want to receive notifications from that channel of YouTube, you just have to press this button here, this one of notification here. So if you want to receive every video from that channel, you just have to press the all here. If you press that, you will get all the notifications from that channel. If you want to comment, you just have to press under here, this box here, and you comment with anything you want. after you press this button here of send. That's it with commenting. The other thing here, so if at all you want to upload a video on YouTube, you just have to press this plus button here, down here, the middle button. After pressing that button, you can press on the upload a video, upload a short. You can go live like you do on Instagram. Anything here is possible. You can upload a video. So uploading a video, you press on upload a video, then it will ask you to select the video you want to upload. Maybe I want to upload this video here.
Hello.
You can cut that video. You can cut if you want to cut where you want to watch to upload that video, not all of it. If you want to upload maybe a quarter of it, maybe a half of it, you should just adjust here. Use your finger to adjust. You hold and you adjust. So after that, after selecting what you want to upload, you go to next up here on the right. So after that, you can add even text. After pressing next, you can add text here. You can add any text. So you can select where you want that text. You just hold that text here and you move it to anywhere you want. Maybe your name, maybe your brand name. You can even adjust by just holding it with your two fingers and adjust where you want it to go. After that, you can add even music in that video. You can add music. Just press music, you look for the song you want to add. You search that song here. Any song can come. Maybe you want this one. If at all your video has already a voice and you don't need that option. So you can even select the field of that what? Are you seeing it changing that video? All the filters you want. Are you seeing? Those are the filters. After that, you press done. You press this button here, done. So after that, you are ready now to upload that video. You press next. After that, now they will tell you to add the details of the video. Here's where you add the title of that video, any title you want. I advise you to capitalize your titles. Capitalizing means add a capital letter for each word. So after that, after giving your title, you select the people you want to see the video, visibility. You select here. Do you want it to be searched by anyone, to be seen by anyone? You select public. Anyone with the link can view. You select unlisted, whereby the person to watch that video has to first select, whereby the person under unlisted is where a person should first get that link from you. The person who has uploaded should first get that link in order to see that video. But if it's public, anyone can see that video on YouTube. Public, private, only people you choose can view. You set the people you want to see that video. But for me, I want it public. Then after that, you place back here. Then you select the audience. Is that video for kids? You might post a video which is not good for the kids. So here you just select where, yes, it's made for kids. If it's only for kids, you select kids. If it's not for kids, you select no, it's not for kids. Are you seeing here? Do you want to restrict your video to an audience Yes, restrict my video to viewers over 18 years. If you want your video to be not to be viewed by those people under over 18, you press this button. If you don't restrict that video to people over 18, you select this button. So after that, you press back, then you're good to go. Then that's it. You just press next here. Upload. You press upload, then the video will start uploading. Are you seeing here under library here on this button here? It's uploading. The video will be uploading. The notification is here. As it's uploading, let's move to another option here. Remember, we have been on this option of plus. You can add a short. The method is the same. You select, you look for the video, you look for that video, and you start uploading. The next is this button of subscriptions. Subscriptions is where you find the people you subscribe to, their videos here. All the people you subscribe to, their list is here. I think if you press all here, they will bring you all the people you subscribed to. All of them are here. The list is very long. So after you viewing them, those are the subscriptions. Now we go to under this button of library. Under library is where you find the history, all the videos you have watched. You just press this history here. They will bring you all the latest, all of them are here. All the videos you have last seen. Then after that, you can even search that video. Maybe you watched a video and you want to see it again. You just have to remember the title and you search it under here. You type in that name and you search. So another thing here, when I press back here, you find your videos, the watch later, the videos you liked. That's all you find here. So if you want to log out, if you want to search any video on the internet, just have to press the search button. It's always there. Press that search button here and you enter what you want to search. Maybe you want to search someone, a name of a YouTube channel. You will search that name and they will bring it, and you visit that channel and you see the videos that person does, what that person posts on that channel. If you want to subscribe to that person, maybe I want to subscribe to this person, I've gone on that channel, just have to press subscribe here and you press the notification button all, and you receive all the video notifications under home. Are you seeing this button here? This button up in the right corner, the one next to the search button. You press that button here and you see all the notifications of the videos and the comments maybe on your channel. If you want to log out on this channel, you just have to press up here. After the touch button here in the right corner, you press this button here and you switch. You can set your channel, anything you want to set here. Or if you know English, everything is simple here. Add an account if you want to log into another account, but since I don't need that option. So if at all you want to download, a video from YouTube, I have a video about that. You can look up here, that link up there. You press that link so that you can view that video of how to download a YouTube video from using a phone or a PC. if you want to also view that the video of doing what, of using YouTube on a computer, then you visit the link up here so that you can learn how to use YouTube on a computer. So another thing, if you want maybe to, if I'm viewing a video, to easily view a video, maybe you want it in a form where you can watch it very clearly. Yeah? You just have to press this button here. Are you seeing this button? This one here. Then it will change your phone to this mode. Are you seeing? So here you can watch the video clearly. Another thing here, maybe your video does not, maybe the quality is not good. So if you want to view a quality version of the video, you just have to press the 3 buttons here in the right corner. Those 3 buttons. You press the quality here. Then you go to advanced down here. Then you select, are you seeing these are the qualities of the video? You can select a quality based on what quality you want. Now the nice quality here is the best one, which works on TVs. Another quality, this one works mainly on computers. This one here can work in the phone. All of them can work in the phone, but the qualities and the data usage. So when I view this video, the data usage is very high. This one is average. So I advise you, if you're using a phone, to use this one. Are you seeing? Our video quality now has changed to the best. Even you can cast this video maybe on a machine. If you have a computer, if you have, maybe you have a screen whereby you want to, maybe a projector, anything, you just have to press the button here, this button up here. Are you seeing it here? When you press, if you want to cast that video, you press that button here, then it will search the devices to link that what, maybe the TV, these modern TVs, you can link them. You just have to press the link with TV code, then you search, the link will appear on your TV, and you enter the code. So that's what you need just to know here. Then if you want to go back to the default mode, you press back on that button, this one, and it will take you back, and you surf other videos as you want. So that's it for today. If you have loved the video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can receive all the updates. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that you can receive all the updates from this channel. If you have any challenge about the topic I've been talking about, let me know in the comment section. Scroll down and comment about the topic. If you have received any challenge, I can help.